In a tranquil small town, there lived an inquisitive teenager named Lily. Her curious mind was always captivated by the expansive world of technology, particularly computers and the endless possibilities of the internet. But there was one area that seemed to elude her understanding: networking. Known for her intellectual prowess and commitment to her studies, Lily excelled in school. Yet networking felt like a mountain she could not scale. Despite her diligent hours spent devouring textbooks and watching tutorial after tutorial, the concepts remained elusive. Her peers, uninterested in the world of technology, did not understand Lily's relentless pursuit of knowledge in networking. They would often jest, questioning her obsession with what they deemed dull. Yet Lily remained steadfast, understanding that mastering networking was a key piece in the puzzle of her dream to become a computer scientist. Observing her struggles, Lily's parents stepped in to provide support. They enrolled her in a local computer networking course led by the patient and knowledgeable Mr. Johnson. Seeing the potential within Lily, he made it his mission to guide her towards success. The journey was not smooth sailing. Lily found herself grappling with complex concepts, often seeking Mr. Johnson's guidance for even the most fundamental principles. Yet, Mr. Johnson's patience never waned. He encouraged her relentless curiosity, breaking down complex ideas into digestible nuggets of knowledge. With dogged determination, Lily devoted countless hours to practice, note-taking, and networking assignments. She rallied a few of her classmates and spearheaded a study group, collectively tackling the daunting subject. Their collaborative effort served as a catalyst for understanding and growth. As the weeks rolled into months, Lily's perseverance bore fruit. She began to grasp the basics of networking, her confidence swelling with each newfound understanding. Her achievements in her coursework reflected her progress, and her peers, once dismissive and teasing, started to seek her assistance with their own tech troubles. Then came the day of the ultimate test, the networking exam. Though nerves fluttered, Lily was well prepared. She reminded herself of her journey, took a deep breath and dove into the test. The questions that once seemed insurmountable were now within her grasp. The hours of dedication and Mr. Johnson's guidance had indeed reaped rewards. When the results rolled in, Lily had not only cleared the exam, but had outperformed her classmates, scoring the highest. Her parents and Mr. Johnson swelled with pride. Lily had navigated the labyrinth of networking, a testament to her indomitable spirit, hard work, and the unwavering support from her loved ones. Her journey didn't stop there. Lily's passion for networking only intensified. She pursued a career in computer science, specializing in network security, and emerged as a respected authority in her field. Her transformation from a struggling student to a networking expert served as an inspiring beacon to others. Lily's story is a poignant reminder that with unwavering dedication, perseverance, and the right guidance, one can surmount any challenge and turn dreams into reality.